Welcome to my honest review of the Blogilates website. If you're interested in fitness, health, and wellness, chances are you've heard of Blogilates. This platform, created by the popular fitness trainer Cassie Ho, is known for its fun and accessible approach to Pilates and fitness in general. The website offers a mix of workout plans, free video routines, customizable fitness calendars, and lifestyle advice, all aimed at promoting a healthier, more balanced life. Starting with the homepage, Blogilates greets users with a vibrant, colorful design that immediately draws attention to its main features. The navigation is user-friendly, with clear tabs for workouts, calendars, and a shop for branded fitness products. The homepage also showcases the latest challenges and free video resources, making it easy to jump right into a workout. One standout feature is the workout calendar, a structured plan offering a daily guide to Pilates routines. While the calendar is free, users are encouraged to download the Blogilates app for additional features, such as progress tracking and exclusive content. The website itself is designed for quick access to these plans, though some users might find that the experience is enhanced by the app. The free videos section is a treasure trove of workout options, covering everything from beginner-level Pilates to more intense, body-specific sessions like abs or arms. The videos are well organized, and most include encouraging commentary from Cassie, helping you stay motivated throughout. While these are available directly on the site, the seamless integration with YouTube means you can easily switch platforms without losing functionality. One area of criticism is the amount of upselling for branded merchandise. While understandable for a business, it can occasionally feel like the focus shifts from fitness to retail. Items like mats, water bottles, and apparel are heavily promoted, which might not resonate with all users. However, it's important to note that these items are high quality and often praised by dedicated fans. Blogilates also includes a blog section that delves into broader lifestyle topics, such as mental health, nutrition tips, and motivational posts. This adds depth to the platform, though some articles feel less frequently updated than others, leaving a mixed impression for those seeking fresh content regularly. Despite minor drawbacks, Blogilates offers an engaging and empowering experience for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you're new to Pilates or looking to level up your workouts, this site has something to offer. It balances fun, challenge, and encouragement, with a community-oriented vibe that keeps users coming back. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up for more fitness website reviews.